Diagonal sleeper car design, innovative solution to increase comfort and space on an overnight train. Why do I got to be diagonal? Oh, I see how it goes. So you have the nice aisle to get through there, some standing room, some sitting room, and then like a little ladder to go up top. It's kind of like bunk beds, isn't it?
Yeah. It's nice to kind of relax like horizontally on a train or a bus.
Dude, I'm trying to get horizontal when I'm traveling every time. It's I mean, just to be able to move around a little bit, to change your posture.
Yes.
To not be confined to the thing. Although the train isn't as bad because you can kind of walk around, I guess. The overnight train. But I always kind of wanted to do an overnight train experience.
Do it in Japan.
I might do it.
Can you just do that?
I'm thinking about doing it, and I'll let you guys know. Wait, we got a super chat for 22 euros. What does that say?
Shout out Lou. Aerobot 99. Shout out.
Oh wow, 22 euros. That's no joke, man.
Yeah.
I could buy a ticket on a sleeper train.
Yeah.
Yeah. This design for a sleeper car not only makes it a bit more comfortable for those who will be spending overnight in this space, but it also lets the train itself increase the number of seats per car. What they did was to design coupe capsules with 2 tiers that are angled diagonally to create a herringbone structure. Each car is separated by a wall and a curtain to give each occupant a sense of privacy.
It's like a little room. You got like the curtain as well?
I'm good, man. I'm fine with it.
You got a nice view?
But some of these things get crazy if you start watching this stuff on YouTube.
Yeah.
Some of the existing cabs that you can get in those things, they are actually little apartments.
Yeah. You got space underneath for your luggage?
Somebody here says, I did San Antonio to LA and it was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. There's something so relaxing and kind of mellow about an overnight train.
And having your own space in that train.
Absolutely.
A little bit of real estate.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
An overnight train to nowhere.
Very comforting.